Exercise 4.4, question number 2. A. Identify 3 triangles in the figure. B. Write the names of 7 angles. C. Write the names of 6 line segments. D. Which 2 triangles have angle B as common? So here students, in the question triangle figures are given. We have to give the names, we have to identify 3 triangles from the figure. We have to write the names of 7 angles, names of 6 line segments and 2 triangles that is having angle B as common. So let us write solutions from the figure. First question is identify 3 triangles in the figure. So let us identify 3 triangles in the figure. Students, this is the figure given in the question. So which are the 3 triangles? ABD, ADC and ABC. So these are the 3 triangles from the figure. So let us write answer. So students, solution A. The 3 triangles in the figure are triangle ABD, triangle ACD and triangle ABC. So these are the 3 triangles. Now let us write answers for the given question, for the another question. Question number B, it is given, write the names of 7 angles. What is angle, students? An angle is made up of 2 rays starting from a common starting point. So let us write names of 7 angles from the figure. First of all, students, let us observe 3 angles from this triangle. Angle BAD, angle ADB and angle BDA. So these are the 3. Now let us observe 3. Now let's observe 3 angles. So angle ADC, angle CDA and angle ACB. So these are the 3 angles from these 3 triangles, and so 3 plus 3 we get 6 angles from both the triangles, and one more angle is angle BAC. So this is 7 triangles. So let us write answer from the figure. So students, solution B. The 7 angles in the figure are, so which are the 7 angles in the figure? Angle BAD, angle ADB, angle DBA, angle CAD, angle ADC, angle DCA and angle BAC. So these are the 7 angles. Now let us write answer for the other question. So question number C, it is said that write the names of 6 line segments. So let us write names of 6 line segments. So what are the 6 line segment? Line segment AB, line segment AD, line segment AC, then line segment DB, line segment DC. So this was the 5. Now 6th is this line segment BC. So these are the 6 line segments. So let us write answer. So students, question number C, answers are the 6 line segments in the figure are, which are the 6 line segments? Line segment AB, line segment AC, line segment DB, line segment DC, line segment AD and line segment BC. So these are the 6 line segments. Now let us give answer for question D. Question number D. Which 2 triangles have angle B as a common? So here we have to find two triangles that have angle B as a common. So let us write answer. So students, here if you want to find angle B as a common, which two triangle is there? Angle ABD and angle ABC. So here if you want to write angle B as a common, which two triangles are common? Triangle ABC and triangle ABD. So these are the two triangles common with angle B. So students, question number D. Now we can write that angle B is common. Angle B is common to triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So these are the two triangles common with angle B. Thank you.